Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
Hey folks, how you doing today? So what we're offering is a 1909 Northwestern cigar cutter match vending machine. It's pretty unique because it cuts the cigar as well as it vends a match. So when you put your cigar on here and you push it down, your match comes out. So it gives you a match and cuts your cigar at once. It's been completely chrome plated. We painted it out red, white, and blue because it's the Yankee, which is pretty cool. And I believe you would just, come on, I broke it. You would strike your match here. What's interesting about it is this reservoir for the matches. Come on up here, Jeff. Let me show them down inside of this. This comes off. It's got a little set screw. If you look in here, it has a stair stepper. So it steps the matches up in order to keep it full. This is where you put them, and then you stair step it. As you see here, what I did was I wrapped this match with masking tape because apparently the matches back in the day were a lot thicker than these. So unfortunately, these ones that I'm able to purchase here in local town do not work in this machine because I believe that back then the matches were much thicker. I wrapped this one to show you. It does completely function. Everything is in there. You're just gonna have to find some thicker matches. Cigar cutter, match vendor, red, white, and blue, the Yankee, super cool, cast iron, and ready to go. So if you like it, get a hold of us. We'll get it out in a box same day. And as always, thanks for watching our videos. We do appreciate it.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.